Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A50 and let me show you how to locate IMEI number and also serial number on the following device. So let's start with the first method, the very quick one. Let me open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *##06#. And as you can see here, we've got all the information, both IMEI numbers and serial number included. Tap on OK to go back. And now let's go to the second method. At first you have to swipe up to open the list of all applications, then go to the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and pick About Phone. Now scroll down a bit and over here you can see serial number and both of IMEI numbers. And that's it. This is how you can check IMEI and serial number on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.